Now at 9, a Georgia woman claims a common hair product caused her health issues. She's now being granted permission to sue the companies that make it. Atlanta News First, Bridget Spencer is live from the Nathan Deal Judicial Center. And Bridget, how could this affect the other women who use those same products?
Well, Tracy, this could really open the doors for more lawsuits. And of course, this is a big issue that has been concerning many black women over the last several years as this is being studied. Can hair relaxers harm you?
I'm glad that this is happening.
Jasmine Nicole knew she had a calling to do hair.
Every day I'm responsible for waking up and making somebody feel more confident, beautiful.
Hair relaxers are a common product people, especially black women, use to straighten their hair. But Jasmine says those numbers are declining lately, and she's using other methods to get the same look.
A soap press consists of the right products, the right techniques, literally to straighten the hair.
In a landmark decision, the Georgia Supreme Court ruled that a Georgia woman will be allowed to proceed with her lawsuit against Loreal and Strength of Nature, both makers of hair relaxers. The plaintiff, Kiera Burrows, claims the chemicals in the product caused her uterine fibroids.
Okay, what is in this we're putting on our body? This is a chemical. This is my natural body. Is this even supposed to be on my body in the first place?
The High Court struck down a lower court's ruling that prohibited lawsuits for products that were sold more than 10 years ago. This is called statute of repose.
The first reading from the Court of Appeals, they were saying from the initial purchase of the very first product. But that makes no sense.
Attorney Suri Chada Jimenez, who is not affiliated with the lawsuit, says the Supreme Court was correct here because Burrows bought their relaxer several times, even in recent years.
And it doesn't mean that she's automatically going to win. What this means is that the case can go forward.
Back at the salon, Jasmine Nicole is just glad to hear black women are doing some research.
The fact that the Supreme Court is okaying that, they're letting you know, hey, we know we messed up. We know that these companies are responsible for the challenges, the compromises that it's done to black women.
And what the High Court is basically saying here is every time the plaintiff, Kiera Burrows, went in and bought a hair relaxer, it basically restarted that statute clock. Now, we reached out to Strength in Nature, one of the makers of the hair relaxer. They told us they have no comment on this case. We also reached out to Loreal. As of tonight, we have not yet heard back. We're live from Atlanta. Bridget Spencer, Atlanta News First.